10:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mansfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm from Mansfield, South Arlington, South Grand Prairie. Hazard, baseball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dallas, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Balch Springs, Midlothian,
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mansfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm from Mansfield, South Arlington, South Grand Prairie. Hazard, baseball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dallas, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Balch Springs, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oaks, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ovilla, and Venus. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. Move to shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away